I hope it works. YouTube seems to be bugging out again, as always. Hello, I can already see 3 people, awesome. So I have no idea where I left off. I continued the last days. I've written many scripts. I have many things that I've improved, that I've changed, that I've added. The little hut is still there, as you can see. I can now collect gear. I have this inventory system. I don't know what I already had last time that I've done this online. You can see my pistol is now sideways. Oh, that's just a little bug. Hi, yeah. Hello, number 1, yeah. I'm gonna fix like smaller bugs like this, the pistol being sideways. This is gonna be fixed later on, because it doesn't really matter. I have a loot system. Like some of these might drop loot. This one did. Check it out. Oh, that was something like this. What else did I change? I've got this. This is what I'm going to work on today. Like this is the city area. Like here, there's going to be a huge city. Like if I show this, like right here, this whole area, like this is the player there. This is the character. Very little character there. But basically, this is going to be like a city area that you can build in. And for building, of course, you need resources, and the resources are going to be stored in the city inventory. I've already started a bit. The city has this inventory here. That is not completed. That's what we're going to do. Hey, Pizarro, hi. Where is it? No, it's not this. It's the city storage, and there we have this one here. And there we can basically place collectibles like tree, like wood, stone, and stuff like that. I mean, it's not possible yet, therefore I still need to create the scripts and stuff. But it's almost there. Like we have the basis. I can already put things in there virtually by just taking the slider here. Yeah, but that's the basic idea. That after today, maybe we can finish. I don't know. After this session, like this tree drops things here, and there's, for example, branches here. I can collect the branch. Oh yeah, my inventory system also I have now. Maybe I'm gonna export. Now we have a real inventory system that also we have stacks of things, and so I'm just gonna show you the current state. We can hear the music, the nice copyright-free music. Actually, it really worked last time. Like, I listened to this copyright-free music that YouTube says is copyright-free, and I didn't get copy striked, which is fascinating because I always do. I mean, it's not the nicest music, but it's good to chill out. Wrong button. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Well, let's get some weapons here. That's maybe too many. Let's equip something. We also have now on the bottom this bar that indicates what we have equipped. Let's get those done. Boom. Kaboom. Same drop again. Yeah, basically, if I shake this tree here, you can see, wow, it's shaking. For example, the whatever those are apples, they stack. You see 1 apple now, and I've got 2 out of 5 now. I collect the branches, and that's now 2 out of 10. If I grab these, I can go to the box here, and what I want from the box is that I can now store the resources so that the city has the resources, and we can actually build in the city. So this I want basically in here. It's storing the resource, and then this green bar is going to fill up depending on how full the storage is. The standard stuff. Hey, Red. Don't learn it from me, because I have barely started a couple of months ago, so I'm also a beginner. I'm underrated, nah, not really. I mean, I'm watching like a lot of YouTube lately. Since the lockdown started, and since Corona started, I've watched a lot of YouTube. And there's so many bad YouTubers that have just so much fame. I'm like, wait a minute. Yeah, building this building here should only be possible if we have the needed resources. Right, like here, you see everything is empty, but I want this in here using that button, but I don't have that yet, and that's what we are gonna do today. Maybe I don't have a plan yet how I do this, but I don't know. The Pridefall? No. What's Pridefall? Pridefall, Urban Dictionary, LBGTQ. Operation Pridefall, know your meme? It's a meme, so I haven't heard about it. Ah, come on, whitelist us. No, I haven't. Let's say it like this, I haven't heard about it. So in here we have this interactable storage. I've already done that. I have already prepared a script for the storage city, and there's storage city. Storage city. Sounds like Paradise City. I've built something called a singleton, so there's only one of these storages. Done. Doesn't matter what that is. I have actually a list. I have a list of items. That's nice. I have already started by creating a store function and a use function. Yeah, that's fine. And I can store item to add and an amount. And use is the same. So I can already do a lot of things here. Like, I can't do them because you see there's no code in there. It just says return false, which is nothing. Basically here it also says return false, which is also nothing. But basically we already have the basis. So if I store an item, I basically want to add this item to the list that I've created, to the list of items here. Do I? Yeah, I want. No, actually I want to do it differently, but no, that's fine. Can understand complicated words. There's nothing complicated yet. I mean a bit, but not too much. So let's see. Items. What do I want to do? I want to add an item. I already have some scripts prepared. We have a list. That's pretty nice. That's why we can just do this. Items add. I'll take this whole thing here. And I go to my storage city and I will just say here. Yeah, I know. It's like I've been programmer for 15 years now. No, not 15 years, but maybe 10 years I've been programming. So the basic words are not, like, I'm just using them every day. But I'm also learning a lot of new things here. Since I've started Unity, I have improved my programming skills a lot, actually. So items add, item to add. Yeah, that's okay. Problem is the amount here. How do I get the amount? Let's not use the amount right now, because that will be kind of bad. That's gonna mess everything up for me. That I don't need as well. And now we can just do this. Let's do it. Therefore, I have this button prepared, right? You remember the button on the city storage UI here? So there we have this UI and this button here. I can basically just select the button and tell the button which function to execute once he's activated. And it's somewhere, the button. There, store is the button itself there. Where do I make meshes? I'm using Blender. Like for new components, if I build something, I'm using Blender. Like today, for example, I built this crate in like 5 minutes. And if I export this, If I export this mesh, it's gonna be added to Blender automatically. So basically I have this now, which I have directly, it's right from the Blender project. I don't even need to export it or something. And there is the thing. And the mesh is connected to it. Comes directly from Blender. Very easy, very simple actually. So the button, and the button will execute the function. As soon as we press the button, the function is going to be executed. And this we can just do by an on-click listener. There we go, on-click, activate. It's like HMIs on PLCs. And here I need to execute a function. You see I already have a lot of things in my project. Hundreds of things already. So I can just take my storage. I think, where did I put it? Yeah. Did it already have the... Oh no, it does not. Wait, the function... I put the function actually on the interactable storage. No, I didn't. I actually want the script on this, on the UI actually. So I'm gonna put on the UI the script. That makes sense. Add script storage city. I'm gonna make a new one. So now we have the storage city UI function, and I'm going to execute those things from the storage city UI function. And there we don't have access to the item list that is in the storage of the city. So I have to access this storage, which I can do by using this singleton here. So I can just access this function from the outside. It's very convenient. Just have to write the name of the script, storage city.instance, and there we go. That's it. I can do the same here. So now I can access this store button basically. So let's see. I can now add my store button. I can just assign the function that I have there on my other object here. Boop, and there should be it. Store. Isn't it public? It's probably still private. No, it's... Oh wait, no, I should do it differently. This actually goes to the storage of the city. I almost got it. I'm still thinking about how I'm gonna approach it. Now I can get rid of this actually. And in the storage UI, I actually want a function that says store all. Nothing's gonna happen here yet, but I just want to know if it works. I'm making debug log, which is like, it's gonna tell me in my editor, in my in Unity, that this happened. Stored. And it's not bool, this is void, because I don't want anything in return of this function. Good. And from this function on, we're gonna call the storage with all the items we have. That later on. Nice music. I actually like the playlist. It's just for relaxing. Hey Ledest. What kind of education? I have a degree in electrical engineering. And then before I've made actually, I also have, what is it called in English? I've made an apprenticeship program. I've made an apprenticeship program in also electrical engineering, actually. No, in mechatronics, actually. Or easier said, mechatronic systems. But the highest I have is just a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. So not too much. Everyone always says I should make my doctorate, but I don't want to. I'm way too lazy. To making a PhD. I know also a lot of doctorates, professors and stuff, because I'm working in education. Everyone's always like, hey, you should do it. And I'm like, why? Why would I need it? It's not wasted time, but it feels like. So store all, why is that not accessible? Store all is in storage city UI, storage city UI. Storage city UI, it's there, huh? Am I stupid? UI city storage. There should be storage city UI, and in storage city UI we should have store all. Oh, there. I just couldn't find it because I can't read. Oh yeah, you couldn't see it. I'm sorry, but I selected something. Wait, let me actually put my head to the bottom left. Make myself a tad smaller here. Actually, I should go here. I think this is the place where I'm not. This is where I'm the not doing anything. Why am I so huge now? What? That didn't make sense. Okay. Here we go. Fine, I guess. I'm stretched now. Why am I stretched? Woohoo! Didn't even know that was possible. Great, now everything is messed up. That's fine. Wait, I always wanted to lose some weight. So let's lose some weight. Perfect. Whoop. Great, now I messed with my camera. Now everything is broken. Perfect. Which button did I press? Don't even know. What? What am I? I'm warping now. Okay, this is stupid. 1 second. There we go. That is me, and that's the correct size and everything. Yay! Everything's fine again. I don't know what that was. Good. Good. Hi, Just Game. Hi, Vivek. You're doing an engineering degree in automation control. Automation control is actually kind of cool, and you can earn a lot of money. Always have the money in mind. Mid school. Oh, that's long time ago for me. That's like not 20 years, but 16 years, 70 years, 17, and not 17. So good. Wait, I was about to do this and that, and let's test if that function actually gets called. Like if everything is correct, we should have in the console at the bottom there. Wait, let's actually, for testing, let's get that guy over here. Let's start testing. I've got an engineering degree, but these days I'm just working as a teacher. Actually, a teacher trainer. So store resources works perfectly fine, and the stored, because the stored, come on here. Why am I flipped now? That's strange. 1 second, flip. Because this showed up, and that's what we have written in our function, so it works. So everything would be stored now. We don't have anything, and we don't have code in there. The only thing that happens is, if we look at the script, debug log stored, which is, it gives this message, that's it. So what we want to do is, if store all is pressed, we want to go through the list of items we have in our inventory. And if we have like wood, like stone, something called a resource, we want to push that into our city storage. So we want to go through the list of all our components that we have in our inventory, which I have already done in some script somewhere. I just have to check it out. Oh, you upload on Discord. If someone wants to share something, yeah, I'll let me hook up Discord. I'm usually not using it. I mean, I haven't done anything with the hut yet. I call it Globlin. I called it Globlin. The problem is importing into Unity with all the materials, with the colors. It's always a little bit difficult. So I'm not gonna do it now. I will do it. So if that we can see that it works or not. Let's see. So that hut there. Let's grab the one you made. There it is. Bloop, the new one. And you see I will have to transform it to another format. Let's do that in Blender. File open. I didn't do anything. Put it in downloads. Can I just drag and drop it? Probably can, right? I can't. Import 3D, and I want to go to downloads. You don't need to see what I have on my PC, so here we go. Users, my name, downloads. Where's downloads? Can I please just get to my download folder? What? It's not there. Why is it not there? I'll push it to the... No, I pushed it to the desktop. If it's not on the desktop, what? It's not on the desktop. What? What file format is it? I thought it is 3D file thingy here. 1 second. 3MF. Oh, 3MF. Okay. Let me see. Blender file import 3DF 3MF. Blender cannot use that format, unfortunately. I don't know how to import it. Can I directly import in? It should be PC. I'm planning on PC. Yeah, PC is the only... Like, it is pretty easy because it has an input system. It should be pretty easy to export it on every station, on every hardware. But I'm still a beginner. So file import. Can I do also import here somewhere? Asset import. Let's see. Yeah, I can't read that file, Fazaro, sorry. I can try later, but now I actually want to concentrate also on the city storage here. So that's what we did. I get this distracted so much. So that works. We store, and now we want to store all the components we have. So I already have a script somewhere that goes through the whole list and adds everything. Somewhere, where do I have this? It's actually relaxing music. I know I do it somewhere, but I don't know where. I think somewhere in the pickup here. Oh. Where do I do it? No one gives me a time limit. Like for a game jam. I'm not doing a game jam now. I'm just doing my thing. Usually for a game jam you also get resources given, like already like 3D elements or something like that, sounds and stuff. I'm not gonna do that now. Would be fun to actually do one at some point in time, like take part in one. Where did I do that? I think I did it in the storage somehow. In the inventory. Let me check the inventory scripts here that I have. Yeah, there. I did it here in the update function. So we're going through the whole slots, which is the amount of items I already have. So we can't just use length. Okay, I didn't know. Oh no, that's for an array. I want a list. This is the first time I'm actually working with lists. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum. Man, I'm just gonna create it completely new. I don't care. I would love to take just an old script and copy and paste, but I don't have one. I probably have, but I don't know where. Yeah, I also made some games for Android, but I always thought, this is so useless. Desktop Goose? No, I'm not gonna download Desktop Goose. Like, that would be so annoying. No, that we don't need. That we might need. That we definitely need. That we need to copy and paste. That we don't need. So, store all. For store all, we want to go through the list of items that we have in our list here. Our good old for function. For if. Items dot length. Now I need to. I don't know how to get the length of a list. Find each. Find last index. Find all. No. Get range. I think get range is it. I won't. Nah, the Desktop Goose. I love the Desktop Goose. Is it even still something that you can download? Is it still accessible? Oh, not gonna. No, I hate the Desktop Goose. Like, he's gonna drag and drop memes in here. I don't need memes on my screen right now. It's not get range. It's listen, get length. I'm always googling stuff. Figure blur. Count? Count? Is it just count? Gotta be kidding me. Count? Interesting. So, and when we go through this list, we will need to get all the components, and we add the component to the to our inventory, to the city's inventory. So if I can't think actually when I'm streaming. Programming is usually so easy, but I can't think when I'm streaming. Dot. And now I actually want another Desktop garden now. I remember when I was probably your age, that there was like a half-naked desktop stripper lady that you could install, and that I had installed that on my PC. Good times, good times. Or like you could spawn ants on your desktop and you can shoot them with paint bullets or flamethrower, stuff like that. So I will add actually an yeah. I will add to my items, to all my items that I have, I want to add like an attribute that tells the tool, hey, you can put them in the city storage. So that I do by going to item. So that's my general item description. Of course, I have then more and more. But in here, I want to say public wool and I'll call it city resource. And I'll put that to false in the beginning. So update for a second. So now I can say if it is a city resource, then we are going to add the resource to the city. That's it. That's it, yeah. So if that's the case, if we can store this resource, then I actually want to give out a log right now. It just gives me the name of the component that we're talking about right now, because I don't know if it's correct what I'm doing. Oops. Could work, will probably not work. Let's see. It's good that we do not get an error message yet. We should probably get an error message. I don't know why we don't. So let me put another debug statement. Like those are for debugging. I'll put that debug statement up here. Storing. And now it should just tell us, hey, storing this. In the beginning, I don't have anything. So it says storing, but I don't have anything in my inventory that I could possibly store. Let's see if I grab some apples or branches. Oh, I can't. Haha, nothing's gonna happen. For a simple reason, actually. So I've got some apples and some branches in my inventory, and nothing is gonna happen now. Except for stored, because none of these has the attribute yet assigned that it can be stored. So let's see, I will grab my items, which is resources, and the branch. The branch should be the only one that can be stored now. Now I have city resource, I can just turn it on now. And it should tell me now, yeah, this you can store this. Maybe. In the best case, it does that. In the worst case, which is probably gonna happen, not the worst case, in the case that I'm expecting, it just doesn't tell me anything except for storing. Let's see, store resources. Oh, stored branch. See it? Just there, just this line, stored branch. So it tries to store branches, which is awesome. I did not think that would happen. Let's try if we can store apples as well. If I say apples are also city resources. Let's get an apple, let's get a branch. So I've got these in my inventory now, and storing, and stored apple, and stored branch. Of course that didn't happen yet, because we don't have a script for it. But man, that worked way better than I thought. I thought it would crash, actually. Good, perfect. So, and now for this, we actually want to store. And therefore I have in the storage city, I have this store item and item to add. And I can just execute this function from the button on. So if this happens, then I want to store, which I cannot just write here. I have to, of course, access the storage city. The storage city. Welcome to the storage city. Instance. Dot store. Yeah, I can take store. Can I? Store, yeah. And now I just need to put in the parameters. What do we want to store? And there, of course, I have the item. So I'm just gonna get the item that we have. And then we need to assign the number, how many of this item. And therefore I have also prepared for this item something called an attribute. And I think I have called it stack current. Stack current, yeah. So now also the function from here should be executed. Yeah. Yeah. And I can also do exactly, I can also already set the stack that we have. Items. Oh, I have to find the thing here. Yeah. We now have to find the item that we have just created in our stack and just put the I don't know what I was doing, so I'll just cancel out here. Let's just see if this works yet. I'm going step by step. I'm a pretty slow programmer because I make a lot of mistakes. Which never be afraid to make mistakes, especially on programming. No one cares if you make mistakes. Done. Now a lot of things should already work, and we can already see that in here. And it's getting complicated actually. So we've got our storage box here. I don't have anything on me. Let's grab a couple of branches. There should be an apple here as well. There we go. And now I can basically go to my character. Go to the city storage. Where's it here? I have no idea where I put my city storage. Do I have it yet? I created a function for the city storage, but I don't think I have used it anywhere. Find references in scene. Yeah, I haven't used it anywhere. That makes sense. I should put it somewhere on the city, but I'm gonna put it on the character for now. Should definitely go on the city. That's fine. So now I have this list up there. On the right side, storage city script, and it says items size 0. City level 0, that doesn't matter. That's just something I have already prepared for later on. And now if I store the items here, the items list should get to size 2 because there's 2 items in there. Let's see. Boop. There should be a branch and an apple. In there. I did not think that this would work. That's interesting. I'm gonna change it a bit, though. Because those, they don't need to be items anymore. I just want them to be an array, actually. Hi, Franklin. Hi. Hello back from Germany. I'm gonna change it a bit so that it's an array. There would be a smarter way with like a... I'm gonna make it smarter later on. For now, I just want to make it work. So here I just want to do two things. Public integer branches, I'm gonna call it. And that's just gonna indicate our amount of branches that we have. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think. Did we get to the done state? Yeah, we got to the done state. You're very welcome. I know a lot of people, I think, like the channel. I also like it a lot, actually. It's a nice hobby to have. Let me actually just do this for now. Because I don't really want to add the thing. I just want to add the branches. Like, it's basically wood. And in the end, I don't want... I don't know yet. Let's see. I don't know. That's the problem, that I'm not thinking about it before I start programming. But that's okay. We have now one branch. So if I add this to the store, we should have exactly one branch in here. If I add it again, we should have two branches. And so on and so on. Oh, and then two more every time I press it. Three more? I got three, yeah. So that works. I don't want to do a switch case statement. I'll probably do a switch case statement. Hey, Most, hi. How is Sensei now? Ah. Yeah, I'm gonna change this later on, but for now I just want it to work. I'm gonna make it pretty later on, so I'm not gonna have this list here, and I also don't have the city level. I just want to have this branches here. 2 weeks! 2 weeks vacation. I have not taken a single vacation day this year because of Corona. I'm stuck at home anyway. Hi, Jeetst. Hello. I'm from South Africa. I've never been there. I've got some friends from there, but I've never been there. Whole days of TA education. Now, vacation is for resting. You should rest. This is quick and really dirty right now. I'm just gonna make a switch statement. And if we have, I'll have branches and I'll have apples here as well. So really, really dirty code that I'm doing right now. You're a personal stalker. Feel free, feel free. So we've got the switch statement, just the case missing. Can I actually do this? No, I can't. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to get the So it's giving me an item. That's okay, but I want an ID actually. Oh, this is such a dirty code now. Ah, no need to apologize. Perfectly fine. Can I just give the name here or something? Item name? Yeah. I'm just gonna use the item name for now instead. It's really dirty. Can I not use a string here? Oh, string is okay. There, that should be fine. That should be fine, yeah. That is such a dirty code. I don't like this, but that's fine. I usually create code first so that it works, and then later on I'm gonna change it so it's nice and pretty and good. But I hope that's what I'm doing. Branches amount, and then we have apples amount. So now I should be able to add branches and apples to the storage. The problem is that it's not flexible. Like if you put stuff like this in there with its switch case statements, it's so unflexible. But I want to check if my logic works, and then I'm going to transfer it into a good one. We have the city storage, which is branches 0, apples 0. So I picked up 1 branch and 1 apple. And I'm going to put them in the storage, and now we should have 1 of each, and now we have 2 of each. And if I take 2 branches, now we're adding 2 branches every time and just 1 apple. Yeah. So logic works perfectly fine. That's great. That's great. What programming language is this? This is C#. A basic C#. I can also import scripts to create C# script, that language. The tool I'm using is Unity. So I have a magic voice. Oh, a voice actor? No, I'm not. I'm not a good voice actor. Whenever I cannot watch my own videos. Whenever I watch my own videos, it's like I can't listen to my own voice. I just it's so cringy. Always the same. Like with your whenever you hear your own voice, it's so cringy. So we've got this. And then I basically, the problem is, I could now remove the things. Right here, I could already remove the thing from the inventory. Hey, number 1, delete it. Can I just, where do I have it? I have somewhere a script remove, yeah. I can already remove the items from the list. The problem is that this is gonna crash everything, I think. It's a bit of success, yeah, it's a bit, yeah, you're right. Remove, and I'm gonna remove the item that we have now selected. The problem is that it's already, I think it's gonna spiral through the list, and while it is going through, it's gonna delete elements already, and then it's going out of the range of my array, of my list. I think that's gonna be a huge problem. I mean, now it shouldn't be fine, and now we're gonna have an error message. I think if I have a branch, and there we go, that should be fine. It should be out of the out of our inventory and in our branches. That's perfectly fine. So that works. The problem is if we have a branch and an apple. I'm gonna test this out. I think it's a huge problem. It's not. Branches 2. Apples 1. But I had to click twice. Let me test it a bit more, actually. I had to click twice. Did it break the loop? It did not get back to the end of the list. Yeah, that's a problem. That's a problem. Can I... Is this a legal move? I have never done this. If it finds it, can I actually go back with my count variable? Is that illegal? Is that legal? Is that something you can do? I've never even thought about it, but right now I'm taking something off the list and just right in that place. So it makes sense to actually not go further by one spot. That worked? Really? That is not possible. No way. No way. Let's see. I've got right now 3 branches or so, 1 apple. Wow. I'm right now shocked that it works. Let me increase my stats here a little bit. I've got the stats. I can just increase my... I can just make my character so much stronger. And I'm gonna do that because I want to shake more and get more branches and more apples to test more. Let's get 2 apples and 2 branches. No, 4 branches, 2 apples. So right now we have 4 branches and 2 apples, so it should be 8 branches and 4 apples. That works. I did not think that would work. Not at all. Like, really not at all. It's really dirty code right now. Like, extremely dirty code. But that's fine. Actually, SCADA. No, I don't really use SCADA systems. Or SCADA, if it's called that in English. For SCADA, usually you would take PCS7 or something. I don't think TIA Portal is really suited for SCADA. That's why I have never looked into it. I can collect things now. I can put things in my storage. This is actually this is astonishing. I thought it would take ages actually. Wow. That's the right music for it. All that's left to do is basically going to my UI. Going to my UI and actually checking this out. Wait, no, I did a mistake. Revert. Yeah, WinCC version 7. I haven't really looked into that. No, I like what is it? PCS 7 way more. Wait a second, I need this. This needs to go there, and then here I go. I will just... So there's a storage slot. Now I just want to be able to... Well, it should be a little bit prettier. Oh no, that's apples. I don't want to store apples anymore. But now I can just choose which one I want to store very easily. Now this should be wood, like branches. I thought I had like a... I downloaded a lot of sprites, as you can see. Heck, I might even leave the code dirty. Where's this woodlock there? So now we have woodlogs, and I can see like a progress bar a little bit. And this progress bar indicates how much do we have. And for this storage slot, I want to check the amount of wood that we have. Therefore, I want this as an interface. I want an interface to... well, we need to see... how do I do this? Because my idea in the beginning was completely different as it is right now. I'm gonna change a lot of things. I will do that very soon, actually. Might even do it on stream. Because this one here, I have written already a script, and this script says storage current. And the storage current should, of course, for every component, for every list that we have, look on a different component. And that component should be listed on here somewhere. And with the item with the not dirty code, I have changed to dirty code now. It was easily possible, and now it's not. Gosh dang it. Why did I do that? So let's go there. I'm just gonna continue with dirty for now. Here we go. It's all dirty. It's so dirty. It's disgusting how dirty it is, but that's fine. Storage current will be storage city dot instance dot branches. That's it. This is now extremely 100% so. It's just dirty. It feels dirty. Now I need a shower. So let's see. So what, we have branches here. And now we just need to put them in the storage. And that should actually adapt here. Let's see. Let's collect some. So if I put them in the storage, yay! You see that? A little green there, a little green. I'm just happy it works. I didn't think it would. We have, of course, the huge problem that it's all dirty right now. Hey Connor, kein Problem, gern geschehen. No, back to English, no problem. You are very, very welcome. Actually, want to test this out a little bit more. To just see how good this works now. Got the storage city, and I want the player stats. I want to be way faster. Stamina current. Now I have 2000 stamina out of something. Oh no, it doesn't work. I have clamped it. I have basically put it maximum 5. Let's collect all the branches here. So how many do I have? 5 or something? I'll put them in. Boop. And it's now 5. If I can fill this up to 100. Man, that would be good. But I'm not going to do that for testing. For testing, I will lower the limit. So I will just say it's like 10 is the total maximum. Which I can easily do with my script that I have somewhere. It should be on here. Let's say 10 is the maximum. Oh yeah, I think the PID playlist is also one of my favorites. Yes, thank you, Jits, thank you. I'll need that. I'll take it. Some sanitizer for. It's such a dirty code. But I just want to make it run right now. That's the thing. So dirty code is fine. So we can put 1 in there, and you see 1 is already a lot, and we can make total 10. That's not. I don't have enough. That's apples. Why do apples drop? Apples have like a 5% drop rate, I think. I think that's what I put it to. And now just apples drop. That's not how it should be. Should put that actually. Dum, 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 dum. Here we go. Oh, there. So now we can see on the right side there it says storage current somewhere and storage total. And that is how many branches I have currently. I don't know how many I've collected. Plenty. I've got 10 collected, so I should actually go above the maximum even. And the bar should be filled. I am currently now above 10, which should not be possible. But that's how it is. I'm just gonna clamp it. There's actually a clamp function, but I don't know how it works. Math.clamp? Yeah, that's it. And now I just need to say which one. Yeah, this one here. Actually, that shouldn't be in here. That should be in the storage city function. Store. Dum. Branches, and we're clamping that between 0 and the maximum amount of branches that we can have. I think which is currently 10. We stick with dirty code right now. I'm gonna clean up off stream. You don't need to see how I clean. Good. And now even if I collect more than 10, it should actually put it back to 10. I hope. I don't know. I really don't know if that works. No idea. Oh man, I have already made so much progress in this, in developing this. I mean, there's still so much to do. That should be it. That should be... I've got 9 now. ePlan. I've worked with ePlan, but that's long ago. So if I put this in, now it's 11 still. Let's see why. Why? Because that doesn't go here anyway. What? Put it in the wrong place. It should be there. Man, I'm an idiot. Oh, back to testing. Oh. Now we can basically collect things and they're gonna be wasted when we click store if we have too many. But that's fine. I don't care. Store. I will need to clean this code so much afterwards. So that's full. Branches is at 11. Why is branches at 11? Should not be possible. 12? What? Clamps the given value between a range defined by the given minimum integer and maximum integer values. Returns the given value if it is within the min-max. Ah, I'm an idiot. There we go. I need to assign it first. And let's do it again. Back to the board. I don't know how long I'm going to stream today, because now I need to clean up the code. I just wanted to make sure that this works, and it kind of works. I just wanted to chat with y'all a little bit, which I also did, so I'm not going to continue much longer. because then I can listen to copyrighted music. Just by Spotify. Store. So 7. There's number 8. It's number 9. That's number 10. And now, even if I press it, it should be deleted out of my inventory, but it should not be added. It's still 10. Like, we have the maximum. The maximum is reached, and the rest is just wasted. Thrown into the nether. But still, that's pretty awesome. Yay. This is great. I did not think we could do it that fast. Because I have already prepared a lot of those components in before, of course, but man, we have a city storage now. This floating thing here, that's our little city storage. I'm gonna put it back in place where it belongs. I think I put it somewhere back here. And then I can go on doing more fun stuff. Programming. All of programming is fun. I'm just kidding. Haha. I love it. I love that I can collect now. It already feels a bit like a game now. So I can put things in here, I can collect, I can do stuff. Awesome. Awesome. I love it. I can also collect those weapons that I have floating around here. Shotgun. Boom. Did I hit? Yay, I hit you. Oh, I missed all of them. Boom. Come on. Reload. Reload. Come on, shoot. Yes. And they dropped something. Gimme. A helmet. Awesome. The last thing. The last thing. I'm gonna make a new script. I'm gonna call it spawn enemy. Wait. Building spawn enemy. Oh, I'm gonna change it anyway. Because I need more enemies. Where is it? Where did the script go? Building spawn enemy. Sorry, I'm already laughing because this is gonna be so stupid. And after this, I am going to finish the stream for today. It's been fun. It's just a quick hour. I should do that more regularly. But here we go. Game object. Is it public? Game object. Enemy. There we go. Wait, what's missing? What? How does instantiate work? Object instantiate. Do I have to... What? Instantiate object. Stupid. Oh wait, wrong brackets. Why did I do these? Why am I like this? Ugh. So here we go. This is gonna mess up the whole game. Everything. Everything's broken now. Hey Laris, I did not really make one. There's one video I think on my channel. If you have subscribed on my channel, the first video that shows up is me in a training center. And that's pretty much what I'm doing as well, trainings. But not too much. Like, I haven't put out too much private data of me. So, where are these things here? The goblins. The goblins, as they are called. You go in enemies, original prefab, goblin. And now we're gonna put that goblin in here. And now I wonder how long it's gonna take until it crashes. Not long. What? Where's the Globlin? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Almost there. One second. And yeah, this is just fooling around. We go. I already closed this because I know it's gonna work now. It's kind of a bad idea, but here we go. What? It still doesn't work? What? How? What? What's up there? Do you see this thing? What's floating up there? Why are you floating? What are you? What? There they are. There should be thousands. Hey, Tommy's Love. I'm about to end the stream. I'm sorry already. Why is that up there? Where are they? They should be nearby. What? Oh, wait. No, they've got capsule colliders. And nav meshes. Maybe they still need a rigid body, I don't know. That might help. Yeah, let's give them a rigid body, I don't care. Let's see. Yay, that works way better. Woo. Oh no, they're spawning. Oh no, I need a weapon. Where can I find my weapons? Give me something powerful. That's a good question. I plan to make one. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe instead of Tier Tuesday. I don't know yet. Because I haven't thought about a topic for tomorrow yet. Oh my goodness. They've got an army. They don't stop. Oh my god. Oh, my PC starts lagging actually. Wow. Let's shoot them all. I can't shoot them all. It's too many. What? What happened? I wonder how many it is already. It's quite a lot. But I thought it would be funnier. I mean, it's awesome, but I thought it would be a little bit different. Everything crashed already. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna press on this. I'm gonna deactivate this again. Good. So, quick hour, right? That was a quick hour. I had fun. I created like our city storage. We've got a city storage. Now we can collect things. We can put it in the city storage. I'll clean up the code off stream tonight. So that's what I'm gonna do. And you stay safe, you stay healthy, and have nice vacations for everyone that's got vacation, right? Was it Vost? I think was. I forgot who it was, but enjoy your vacation. Have a nice time and stay safe, healthy. I'll see you the next time around. Bye-bye.